This is the Xiaomi 14 Pro in dark green color finish, and we have a massive camera module on the rear. So here are full color options of the Xiaomi 14 Pro. So the shiny black, which is okayish, light pink, white and dark green color finish. The highlight of this device is it is the first phone to have Qualcomm latest 8th Gen 3 chipset, which is very powerful, and by powerful I mean 30% faster CPU than the 8th Gen 2, 25% faster GPU, and 98% fast hexagon NPU. They say it is 10 to 20% power of V-Chain and doesn't beat much. The interesting part is the silicon supports Unreal Engine 5 Lumen and got better ray tracing. So in terms of gaming, this might give a tough fight to the A17 Pro. The Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 is still based on 4nm TSMC process and got single codecs X4, 5 codecs A720 and 2 codecs A520. This would all use Xiaomi's HyperOS on top, so it might perform like really well. Just cannot wait to test out the Xiaomi 14. Unboxing is coming soon on my channel. Some official renders of the Xiaomi 14 non-Pro model. It is the first one to have the thinnest top side and chin. Here it is even thinner than the bezels of the iPhone 15 series. Wow, Xiaomi will be using 3000 nits of peak brightness, which is again like the highest ever seen in a phone. And yes, the camera system of this device is powerful, surely can shoot fantastic photos and videos. I think we might see Focus 60 on the front selfie shooter. The small Xiaomi 14 is coming with 4860 mAh battery with 90 watts fast ride and 50 watts wireless charging. Xiaomi 14 Pro will have slightly larger 5000 mAh battery with 120 watts wide and 50 watts wireless input. So great devices coming in a few days. Just cannot wait to try out the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Speed test, battery tests are coming soon. For this is Xiaomi's HyperOS, and it is coming alongside the Xiaomi 14 flagship phone. So here I have HyperOS apps and UI on my Xiaomi 13 Pro running MIUI 14, and first off, lock screen customization is coming, and there are so many clock styles to pick from. Device can change the color of clock, font, size, and yes, we do have depth effect, but only for signature as of now and not the clock. So yeah, quite similar to iOS and Pixel UI, but like with so many additional options, and I like this change a lot. Then we have new control center, and again very similar to iOS and MIUI. The new now playing media player of HyperOS is clean as well, so no shocker overall. I think a massive redesign in there, and again all I hope is it is stable and there are no less issues in there. The HyperOS is coming this month on 31st October. The global launch may happen in December, I guess, and some of the latest devices will receive it on top of MIUI. So yes, it is gonna replace MIUI for some of the devices. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.